Disclaimer: our channel is only made for learning purpose, not for entertainment and not to hurt anyone. Our aim is only help you in learning. Thank you. Subscribe to Sahai Guru YouTube channel. Hello all, welcome to Sahai Guru YouTube channel. I am Sahaya. Let's start video. First, import the image and any one video. Now insert image to layer bar and click crop and zoom. Now click pen and zoom and keep end area to black part of eye, so it looks it is zooming. Now let's check once. Yes, it is done. Now let us move to second step. In second step we need to import any video. If you want same video that we are using, then download it from description or in comment box. After importing and adding in layer bar, go to transition and search warp zoom. Now it is time to insert logo. Import logo and add as layer. Add logo layer up to same width of video. Then add evaporate transition at first of our logo. It's done. Our video is ready. Don't forget to subscribe and click bell icon. Download video from description. Please subscribe to our channel Sahai Guru YouTube channel.